Welcome to our second lesson on income tax. We want to concretize the tools, ideas, and skills that we learned in our previous lesson. Okay? So, this question is from KMF number 7. It is a good question to give you a backup of your basic. So there is somebody who is earning a salary of 20,600 and then he has an allowance. We are given a house allowance. We are also given medical allowance and transport allowance. So in your basic, I'd given you only two ways that taxable income comes from pure salary alone. That is option 1. A second option from salary and allowances. That is where they always test. So those ones must be very clear. You cannot look for harder questions when you cannot get simple ones. One, taxable income will come from the salary alone. But if there is salary and allowances, it is the sum of all those salary and allowances. This is a good example. Salary and allowances. So he has his basic salary, 20,600. What else does he have? He has house allowance, we add. He has, what else? Medical allowance, we add. And finally, he has transport allowance. So all these, when added together, they'll give us taxable income, which is 35,820. 2 marks. You are done. 2 marks. So can we mark? Yes. So we have maybe this. They can tell you, okay, you know how to do it and you know how to get it. You know how to do it and to get the accurate thing. Okay? So what else? Now we want to learn, what will the government take? Now it is a process, okay? What will the government take? So you must check his table. For you to get payee, check period and currency. Now what has he given us? In his table, he has given us monthly taxable income in Kenya shillings. Our period is monthly. Okay, our income is also monthly. I've ticked. I'm done. Currency. I am earning in Kenya shillings. In the government table, it is also in Kenya shillings. It says in Kenya shillings. My income, Kenya shillings. Table, Kenya shillings. Tick. Once you do that, you go to the taxable income where it lies in the classes. So we have 35,820 will lie in 4th class. In 4th class. Put star at that. Where does this money lie? It is not in the 1st class, it is not in the 2nd, it is not in the 3rd, it is in the 4th. Put a star there. And that money in that class is your upper limit, is the top. Okay? So what do? We have to get now bracket amount. Very important. Next lesson it will be backward taxation. So bracket amount, your money filled the 1st class. This is the amount of money there in that class. You still hold some money. You go to the 2nd class, class 2. You count for them, it fills. You go to class 3. In class 4, it does not fill. You start from their lower limit, you keep on dropping money. you drop until your hands are empty. When we count the notes you have dropped, they are this much. Or if they are shillings, they are this much. Right? Now, if you are understand bracket amount, I want you to do always counter check. CC, counter check. If this money is correct one, done correctly, it should give you your taxable income. Remember, bracket amount eventually gives you taxable income. So your taxable income, if it was 35,820, when you add all this, it will give you 35,820. Folks, now you can proceed. That is a green light. Proceed. Now you come and do taxation. 10% is the same as 0.1, 15, 0.15, 20, 0.2, 25% is 0.25. Now you remember these are ratios. They don't change the units of this. And what is the unit of this? Shillings. So I'll be getting shillings, 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 shillings. The total here gives me total tax. Is still a process. It doesn't go to the government the way it is. No, it's a process. So we are doing what pertains to each class. What pertains to each class. So you multiply, you get all this, you get total tax. Now I want us to focus down here a bit. We focus down there. Okay? Having gotten total tax, payee is total tax minus relief. What is the relief given? 1056 shillings. What total tax currency? Shillings. So 6135 minus 1056, you get 5,079 Kenya shillings. So taxation here, folks, you might be given maybe 2 marks. You might be given 2 marks. Or each line 1 mark. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. For example, if that is the case, how many are those ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are 5. Plus originally I had 2 marks, 7. Then I come here. I get. You know how to. And you know how to get the answer. So somehow I should be able to get 10 marks comfortably. Okay? 10 marks comfortably. I want you to do this again. The first lesson, it dealt with taxable income coming from salary alone. Second lesson has dealt with taxable income coming from salary and allowances. Now I want you to oscillate between lesson 1, lesson 2. Lesson 1, lesson 2. Get examples, do them, get the procedures right. Always create for me bracket amount. Next lesson I'll be doing with backward taxation. So I'm given total tax. How do I get taxable income? The best way is to understand and comprehend bracket amount. Bye bye.